Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to another FSD beta video. Today we are doing an FSD beta challenge. We are going to a box store, so and an orange light over here. FSD beta decides to proceed. I think it was the right call. So yeah, anyways, we are on 69.25.2. Still no news about FSD version 11. Yeah, so we are doing a few challenges now. I kind of want to see how FSD beta does with this route over here. I kind of did this before and it surprisingly was really good. So I'm just interested to see if there's any updates with this kind of route going through on this certain highway, or like kind of like a high-speed traffic street over here. And yeah, it's kind of like the weekend right now. It's around minus 7 degrees Celsius, so it's not really super cold, but I think there in the forecast there is snow that should be starting to fall tonight. So I don't know if we'll be able to catch it or not. But yeah, hope you folks enjoyed this video. Please hit like and subscribe to my video. And subscribe to my channel, please. It'll help me a lot. I'll really appreciate it. Yeah, so this route I pretty much take it all the time, and it does struggle with lane changes, especially when there's a lot of traffic, like what currently is happening right now. I think FSD is going to decide to take to overtake over here, or maybe not, just continue straight on. I don't really mind if it does want to continue on this lane or not. So yeah, once we hit the ramp onto the McLeod Street where the high-speed traffic is, it'll be interesting to see. So until then, I'll probably fast forward this bit over here. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the ride. So here we go. We're supposed to be taking this exit, so we should get a signal soon. And here it is. And we're merging into the turning lanes. It's pretty good. And it's choosing this lane, which is the correct turning lane that we should pick. There's a very sharp accelerator there, or acceleration from the car. Yeah, it's not very comfortable, let's say, for someone to be driving an autonomous vehicle with, like someone stepping on the accelerator and then slowing down. I kind of did switch it off from chill mode just because the streets are very good over here. So maybe that could be the reason. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. So yeah, the turning light is now green. So we should be turning soon. We should have the indicator on, to be honest. But I think it'll come on right now. Nope, I guess not. Decides to do this turn without an indicator, which is not very good. Yeah, smooth acceleration. Very nice, overtaking those, or going next to those slow cars on the other lane. No problem there. It does tend to get close to the curb over here, but it seems to be doing okay this time. And now we should be taking, I think we should be taking this turn over here. So if it's not going to do it, I'm going to give it a signal. Actually, I don't think we do need to do that. Oh, very good. I canceled the signal right now. So yeah, I guess I was wrong and FSD was right. So there you go. We'll slow down over here. Oh, and not very slow down, very slowing, like the car's slowing down a lot over there. So I need to give it a push. Now it's going on this turn. It's being very cautious over here, which is very odd. All right, does merge very nicely. and now it does need to change lanes. I'm going to press just a little bit over here just because there's a car right on my tailgate. Here we go. Okay, that was okay. Like just a few interventions, I guess, but no takeovers. I thought that we have to be on the other lane, but turns out that's incorrect. The wheel is jerking a lot right now, so I'm not really sure why it's doing that. It's probably trying to figure out how it wants to take this turn. Yeah, you can see the jerkiness on the wheel. Okay, we've got the green light, but it's not. I'm going to give it a push over here. We should be able to do this turn. And yeah, I'm going to intervene. Okay. Yeah, that wasn't really good. So, like, FSD can actually see why does it want to slow down so much? Okay, I'm gonna give it a tap. The person behind me must really hate me right now. Okay, so the car can see when the cars the cars around it. FSD can see the signaling of those vehicles, but I don't think the coding for the understanding of that car wants to turn, that car doesn't want to turn. And I know that there's an argument around safety where it's like, even with the indicator on, you shouldn't really rely on that person or trust that that person is actually going to make that turn and all that stuff. But with an intersection like that, you should be able to. So we should be arriving here to our destination. So yeah, here it is. It's coming up here. So we should be, there we go. We've got the signal, the left signal, and we're going to have to yield for these vehicles over here. So we've got two more vehicles, and as you can see them on the screen over here, and we should be entering smoothly. Very good. Into the parking lot. Wow. Okay, that was really, really good. So it's going to take us into the parking, into the gas station, because that's where I routed it. But I'm going to be hitting the store over here. So yeah, hope you folks like that video and found it to be interesting. Yeah, one disengagement and a few interventions. Not too bad, but we're still kind of stagnant there. Like, we don't really have much improvements on FSD beta. I'd like to see way more. But yeah, we've been on a pause for a while now, just due to waiting for FSD version 11 and waiting for the NHTSA fixes as well, if you haven't heard about that. So yeah, hope you folks like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.